Hey YouTube, it's Tori. Welcome to another Stories with Tori. A week has passed, so woo, we're back here. So I'm gonna actually tell you a story that happened to me yesterday because it was super duper awkward and I think it is something that you guys would laugh at and appreciate. So, anyway, I went to go see Book of Mormon last night, and to those who have seen it, they know it's an amazing, amazing show, and if you have not seen it, go see it. It is so good. So, I bought a ticket for myself because I am lonely AF. And I went. So I show up to the place, and the usher looks at my ticket, and it says, our mezzanine, seat 206. So they sit me down, and I befriend a lovely middle-aged couple sitting next to me that are like, oh, are you in the show business? And I'm like, I'm a theater major. And then they're like, oh, that's nice. And we had a lovely intellectual, stimulating conversation. So I watched the first half of the show, and it was amazing. And I'm sitting there with this couple, and I'm like awkwardly looking at my playbill, trying to do something. And then some lady comes up to me and taps me on the shoulder and is like, excuse me? I think you're in my seat. And I was like, oh, oh, I'm sorry. And then the usher lady comes by and she's like, can I see your ticket? And I gave her my ticket and she's like, yeah, you're in the wrong seat. She doesn't tell me where my new seat is. She just tells me I've been sitting in the wrong seat. So I look at this nice couple sitting next to me and they're like, oh, good heavens. And I'm like, I don't know where I'm supposed to go. So I spent 10 minutes awkwardly roaming around this theater, making circles, and everyone now knew me as the girl that didn't know where she was sitting. So this guy that I've never met, I walked by his row and he was like, you find where your seat was? Okay, mister, no I didn't, but thank you for being concerned. So I finally find an usher, and he looks at my ticket, and he's like, hold on, sweetie, I gotta put my bifocals on. Puts them on, looks and goes, oh, you're in seat 306. Sir, my ticket says 206. Oh, 206. Yeah, good, up the stairs, good luck. How is that helpful? So I keep roaming around this theater, 2 minutes till showtime. I'm walking around, and finally some lady is like, excuse me, do you need help? And I'm like, please. So she directs me, and I was sitting here in a seat that probably cost $300. My seat was actually back here, like a $40 ticket. So I finished the show, the second half, mortified that whole experience happened. That poor couple sitting next to me was probably like, oh, poor dear. And I awkwardly sat in the back, like, crying, mentally hating myself. But overall, the show was amazing. I got out of there alive in one piece, and I lived to tell the tale. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that story. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe and tell your friends. And if anyone wants to see the Book of Mormon, it's playing in Tucson right now, and it's super duper good, and I highly recommend going to see it, because who wouldn't want to see good musicals? Alright, bye! Peace out, Girl Scout!